Hello guys, today I will speak about dream house and formula for earnings. You know that I live without electricity 2 years and that I have I build house without any electricity before living, and that is something that is very interesting today because economy, and I would like to show you how I draw that house. This is house and roof. I will start from roof because solar system and current. This is the best idea because I will show you every part of this. Um, Once again, this is electric power from here, from gutter, uh, water, water tank and rain collection, that is water. And for living you need heating also, and here is a wood stone and boiler, hot water. uh, After 30 minutes you have a hot water, if is boiler 40 liters. That is I I try that, and I speak what I live. Okay, for example, that is ventilation, okay, and this one. All right. Um, why is most important this? That is because if you would like to live without any bills, you need it. All right. I like to speak about part of the battery. That is some small house or something like that, and there is batteries. Uh, that is better to be separate of a house. And pool, that's good. Okay, bicycle and vehicle is that is needed. Okay, and mid dry room, you can buy in some battery meat and put there when is winter. Okay, fine. And land for planting, you can something to plant. And in this moment I will try to explain and to write every part of this house. Let's start. Okay, now I will start from land. Okay, roof is cheaper when you have like this. That is better than on two water like this. Okay, now after that gutter is great, and you can put gutter, and to have a pipe over there, and near house to have water tank. Okay, fine. That will collect water and rain for shower, for dishwashing, for not for drinking. That is perfect. After that, you have just second. This is water, and electricity from solar systems. Solar system is so good. I tried, and you can check my old videos how I live with 160 watts to year. Okay. Now I would like to tell you that some wood stone is perfect because you have heating from wood stone, and you can to heat water for take a shower or for dishes, and for heating also. Um, I had some boiler on from 40 no, no, yes, 40 liters on some wood stone, and that was so great boiler. And here come smoke from stone, and can't, how to say this one, goes over there and go like this outside, and what is interest here, because smoke and hot wind or air come from over there, and heat water around this pipe. Okay, that boiler heat water 40 liters on 60 Celsius degree, only for 30 minutes. That is great. 40 liters, and you can you can with this boiler, two guys to or three to take a shower, because every 30 minutes you have 40 hot water. 60 degree is something that can burn your skin, and mix with cold water. Okay, fine. Also, radiator is okay to put. I not need it, but you can to make it. And with the solar power you can to have some laptop and to put to charge laptops, mobile phones. That is okay, but for air for fridge you need it. uh, I will speak about how many solar panels need for that. Okay. And one good is you can make ventilation, something that will collect hot air and with some cooler from computer to push hot air to every part of house. Once again, this wood stone can heat 1, 2, 3, 5 room and go upstairs. If you um, drill your first ground floor, you can drill and make some collectors and to go upstairs. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Enjoy and see my next video. Bye. And also don't forget like, share, subscribe, and you can to write some comments if you would like. Have a great day and enjoy. Bye.